Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up, share it if you want to. You know that always helps me out and I love it when you do. And if you hit the bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Now, I'm sure you're seeing this fun look I'm doing today. This look is by Glamlite Burger Slider Palette. I can't believe that over on TikTok, I won the whole bundle by the CEO and owner, Miss Giselle herself. So in that, I got the Burger Slider Palette. I got the Glamlite French Fry Lashes. And I also got the Milkshake Lips. The whole thing is a bundle pack and I was so happy to have won it and do this really fun look for you guys today. Please keep on watching and see how you can recreate it. So we've primed our eye with our e.l.f. putty primer in white, and we've gone ahead and added some painter's tape to have a nice sharp edge. Using a e.l.f. blending eye brush, we are going to pick up the shade Patty and just start stamping that in the crease. Just want to go about a third way over, and then we're just going to lightly blend that. Then using the LBE3 from Lunar Beauty, we are going to pick up Onion Ring, and we're just going to buff out that edge. And we're just going to bring it another third of the way over on that lid. Make sure you marry the two colors together. If you have to go back in with your darker shade a little bit, don't be afraid to do so. Now, using your finger, or I'm going to test out the Lunar Beauty LBE5 brush, we are going to pick up the shade French Fries. It does seem to pick up well on the brush. And we're going to lay that on the rest of the lid. And just kind of have it go over that second color. Just kind of fade in. We'll go ahead and remove our tape to see our nice clean line. She's sharp. So as I typically do, I've lined my waterline with my NYX Jumbo White Liner. I'm going to take that darkest shade and just go ahead and line my waterline and just under my lash line with that. Go back with onion rings and buff that. And then I like to take a big fluffy brush and just kind of buff it all together. You can put a little powder or a neutral tone on this as well. We just want it to be nice and clean under there. Then with the Lunar Beauty LBE6, we are going to pick up blue cheese and pop that in the inner corner. And I'm just going to drag it down a little bit down into the lower lash line. Now, if you didn't want to add that pop of color, you could totally take French fry and just drag that all the way down and just have a nice neutral look. Let's go ahead and add some lashes. If Glamlite is known for anything, it is the amazing packages. The French fries come in fry lashes. They are super cute. Love, love, love the extra step they do with all the packaging. And the last product we'll be showing is the Milkshake Lip. Ooh. Very pretty. I have never owned a Glamlite lip before. I do want to show that there's a mirror. Hello. That is so awesome. You can throw this in your purse and always have a little mirror for you to get your lips right. Let's go ahead and add this and finish this look off. This is just a lip gloss, and you know what guys, I just put the lip gloss on over my bare lips. I'm not really keen on a lip. I have funny shaped lips and I just don't like using lipstick very often, so I am a gloss and go girl. So this was perfect. It has got a nice tint of color and I kind of love it. And there you have it guys, here is our final look. I hope you love it. I know I don't do a lot of neutral tone looks on this channel, and I figured with this one having a lot of browns in it, it would be perfect for that. And you know, I had to add my little pop of color because your girl loves to use color. I hope you guys did enjoy this. And as for my review on this palette, it is very fun, quick, easy. I love it. The packaging, you know, it's on point. And this is my second Glamlite palette to own. My first one is the ice cream palette, and I am just really loving their products. I don't have a code with them. I believe my friend Susan has a code with them. I will get it and put it in the description box below. I believe it's like Susan K10, but definitely I will get it and put it in the description box below for you guys. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see a 3 looks 1 palette with it, let me know in the comments and I will definitely work on that next. Alright guys, until next time, see you later.